Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So my location is in St. Elizabeth. See that sign with the mark up well. So I'm gonna make this turn, this right turn, which will take us to Fort Charles. So take a view of the Fort Charles area. Yeah man, in St. Elizabeth. Ever heard about the Fort Charles beach? So this area is a very quiet area, so you gotta get a view of it. So you can leave in the comment section if you know this area. Leave in the comment section, indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man. Alright, my people, look on that place here now. See it? See it right here, so? Land for sale. As we enter, we saw our land for sale in Fort Charles. And you also can contact. The number is 876-201-4487. So let's go. So let's see the property for sale in the Fort Charles area. I remember Fort Charles is very close to Pondside, Greenfield, Hopewell. But you're gonna see how Fort Charles look. So if you're interested in that land, you have the number right there on the card, so can please give them a call and get some information. See, they have some pipeline construction ahead. Sun is very hot in this area. Yeah man, you can see weather condition here, so I think this place, don't forget that place here. I heard that they're gonna have a project in this area. So if I see what's taking place, I will give you all an update. Yeah man, yes, I might put up some big, don't know if it's hotel, apartment and stuff in them place here. standpipe, water, waste and thing there. Yeah, man, we can't live like this, kind of waste the water, so. Yeah, man, so. This is the water in the area. Yeah, so far I'm seeing this area kind of look a little bit lonely for now, so just keep on watching now. We can see what take place. You can see the road condition, the road need to fix, but as I'm saying, I laid some pipe, so maybe further on I'm gonna fix back the road properly. See how we have some drainage system on the left. This is in the Fort Charles area in St. Elizabeth. You can drive from here, go to Treasure Beach. We all know Treasure Beach is also a tourist area, so you need to explore Jamaica. Don't just think about the town side alone. Come to the countryside and drive and enjoy yourself at Jamaica. Driving some along the road, see what Jamaica look like. Yeah, see them a farm some nice cucumber over there. Whoa, nothing like when you can have some fresh cucumber with some lemon. Yeah, nice house over here, same way. House well air conditioned. What you mean, my people? Tell us, say, here some place that I really can't say off grid. That's the best place to have a peace of mind. Yeah, man. I think this place kind of forgotten, you know. A lot of people forgot that place, and remember back in the days, they used to have a beach around here. Everybody used to come holiday time at Fort Charles Beach, come swim, enjoy themselves. But the beach, they kind of, I don't know what happened, but it just get rough. Rough beach, so nobody paid any more attention. So it's become a lonely beach. So I'm driving along the road. To me, don't know what I would expect, but I'm just driving my paper, show you what Jamaica look like and the countryside. If you Google, you would pick up the Fort Charles, and this is what the area look like. Can you imagine if I have a drone and lift it from here, you would see the nice sea view. What Fort Charles look like? Nice sea view. a bird's eye view, you would see this place is so amazing. But few more years from now, check back this place and you're gonna see the development of the place here. Few years from now, just check back this place. You can watch Fire Reid video and you can check back that place and you'll see the development around here. Big things are happening around that place here. So if you feel like you want to come search around here for a piece of land to buy, just come check out the area. Wall heap of open lots, property. Looking for signs, see if any for sale. Some people that say them place here bush. A couple of years from now, it's gonna be investment for your kids and yourself. So you can search about in this area. If you wanna invest something, get a piece of property around here. And you're gonna see what difference it's gonna make. I tell you what I'm going, you know. A lot of things are happening around the Fort Charles area. A lot of things. Place just look quiet. A lot of space in the area. Big up for yourself, bossy. Nice house by the right hand side, the same way. I'm telling you something, man. Anywhere in Jamaica you can live, man. Anywhere. To me, off-grid is the best. Get a piece of property, nice farmland, and go over there and enjoy life. Grow your organic food. As I said, this is a lonely area. Very, very lonely. So I'm just driving alone just to see if any changes are taking place in this area. But I heard someone said big things gonna happen around here, so that's why you see they're putting some pipe in the area. So this road can take you back into the Church Beach area. Some investor if you come on them place here, buy out them property here, put some big house on them property here. Look there, from where I'm seeing the sea. Oh, it's a nice look, very, very nice look. If you plan to take this route to Church Beach, it's a very lonely route. Now, a lot of people say I'm just driving and showing the road, but if you're a traveler, this is what you need to see. You don't need to see no beautiful houses. You just have to know how to get to your destination. Right? All that's matter. are kind of a bit lonely. I'm not going to stop stress the point. I will not stop stressing this point. But big things are happening in them places. Big things, you see? You have current line around this area. Current line. So remember, search around in this area. I think they have a website up. Very, very lonely. Caution, heavy equipment. So here, so they have a sand pit around here. This is where they take a lot of sand from. So no found a house built with this sand, and I don't even know that. Drifting hide away. So look there, my people. Very lonely road.